Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hi, I am Sanket, and in this video we discuss about how to download Chrome and set as a default browser. So let's start the video. So first open your inbuilt browser. So here I have one browser, so open it. Now here you type www.google.com, press enter, and here you write to Chrome download, click on it. Now simply click on first link, download Google Chrome, and you can see here download Chrome. So simply click on it. Thanks for downloading, just a few steps left. So this is step number 1, open, step number 2, allow, and step number 3, install. So you can see here download Chrome in corner, so click on it, accept and install, and you can see here once you download Chrome, so now time to install it. So open this PC, go to downloads, and right click on Chrome setup and click on open. And Chrome downloading start. It takes some time, so just wait. And you can see here Google Chrome are download and install successfully. I hope so you like this video. Please make sure to subscribe my channel for more updates, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.